Hey guys, she always read it about it. Yeah, tower fan. This is what's pretty much inside one of these. I just was taking it apart. The camera won't film it, so I don't know why it won't. I just had to break parting it off. That little bit of steel at the top of there. So that's what you mainly get in them is handful of cable, handful of a motor. And there you go. Oh, that's on top. But yeah, I just took some screws out of them. Oh, quite a fair bit of screws. So yeah. So that pretty much that's what's out on it. Oh, just what's inside on it. So yeah. So I thought to show you why I'm taking it apart. So if I can get the screwdriver in there. So yeah, it's just some people say, oh, with motors these days, what's the point taking them out of stuff? They're only like under 20 pence a kilo. And that. I know what you're saying, but it's just. Well, that's why I don't just do everything to do with this motor. Just do all sorts and all. Like strip your cable, burn your cable, and shred your cable. Yeah. Yeah. Sort out your copper, sort out your brass, your lead, your aluminium, your steel and your iron. I know iron's in more or less than motors. Yeah. But yeah. Don't stick. Just doing, the steel and iron. That's why sometimes you see me sorting out my steel and my iron and then move on to sorting out the cable, taking apart something. Yeah. It is difficult trying to open the camera. But yeah, I'll get that screw in there in a second. I think in there. But yeah. I just got it there and I'll cut it. Yeah. Cable. And my motor. Yeah. Cable. What I'm going to do anyway, I'm just going to get a hammer, just smack it here, turn it around, smack it around about here. There's also lots of metal inside, so then this bit, I know it's plastic, but since there's still a bit of metal in it, so I'll keep that there. I'll do that when I can, so close. So yeah, just got these screws. Yeah, so that I've got food. Couple of goes about because I've got some food behind me. Just spotted one up the floor. Hey! So yeah. Yeah, wash in a minute then. That's it. Thank you for watching.